Good morning, everyone. And I literally mean good morning. Well, at least for me. I don't know when this video is going to premiere. Because I can stop, high revving it. Not high revving, I should change gears. So I'm going on an adventure today. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm meeting up with a very special someone who is near and dear to my heart, and I'm helping him move. So it's a sad day for me. He's a fellow weirdo in every sense, and I always enjoy having him on Weirdos Assemble. Like, Aaron is the little brother of the group. I feel like Paul is he'll always be the step uncle or the step trucker. So he's more like the uncle of the group. And he's the cool uncle that just lets us get away with everything. But is still gonna be there to tell us when we're fucked up. Which is great. Definitely need to be told when I'm fucked up. Checks and balances, yo. So yeah, I kind of accidentally spoiled myself on that. I'm gonna go see Step Trucker today. Trucker Paul and Bacardi. He had an unfortunate incident with his new Harley while he was packing it for moving. And now it broke. So he's taking it, he trailered it down to the Harley dealership. Oh, I got some new sleeves in, y'all. These are nice. And now that everybody, just about everybody in the Weirdos Assemble Goon Squad group chat. Hi, Bob. I got my smoke shield today, jackass. But now that everybody has jumped in on the health and fitness train on Shade Tree's Discord, I think Aaron said it was happening on Her Two Wheels Discord. The Goon Squad Discord has our own Gym Rat Meathead version of it. So now we're all in that lose weight, get back in shape. Me, I need to add some mass to my little chicken legs that I call arms. Chicken wings, I guess I could say. And I can stand to lose about 20 pounds. Hell times 1. I'm gonna start putting a hell counter up. Hell times 2. Unfortunately, any way I go today does not get me past Riverside Boulevard unless I take the highway route. The highway route's no fun. So let's go adventuring this way. Never fails to put a smile on my face. Once we get Paul packed up and before we send him off to Wisconsin, I want to go check out the campsite. That we're going to be using for Weirdos Assemble. Roadway ends? Whatever will I do? It's a beautiful day. It's still kind of chilly though. So I might revert back to my jacket. Probably won't, honestly, but because I mean it's just gonna keep getting warmer. Everybody's in a fucking hurry today. I don't know why you're trying to go around me. See, it's stupidity like that particular situation right there that is why we brought up on Weirdos Assemble. Don't get mad about the small petty things. I love petty. Don't get me wrong. I love petty. But this isn't one of those times. I was gonna laugh my ass off if they're going left. Jackass. God, I love the way this bike sounds. Alright, but I will see you guys at my surprise destination. Deuces.
So, there's going to be a little bit of a gap right here because when I cut the camera back on to record some more, when I got to the Harley-Davidson dealership that Paul was at, I didn't look to make sure that it was recording. And then we took off to go back to his apartment to finish packing out. I got to his apartment, checked the camera, and the 1RS was displaying, yeah, right there, a teal, like a light teal colored light, and it wouldn't respond. I looked it up, it said the camera had crashed. While it does happen occasionally, it's not a common occurrence. Sometimes it's the SD card that doesn't agree. So, missing a little bit of the day. However, and the end all be all is we got Paul packed and we got him on his way, which was honestly the entire point of the day. I was more than happy to help him.
There it is. Step trucker packed up. Took us a lot less time than he thought it would. So he gets to get an earlier start on his trip than what he was expecting, which I'm happy for. I know he's got plenty of experience driving, but I don't like driving U-Hauls at night. Makes me nervous, so I try to avoid any friend having to do it. Beautiful. I'm gonna miss it. There it goes. I hate these fucking gates. gonna miss him, even though we didn't get to hang out much. Heyo! But yeah, to save Paul some more time, we nixed our, well, it would have been just a quick rip. But I'm okay with that. I'll have plenty more opportunities to ride with Step Trucker. Pretty sure he wanted to race, but I really don't know. I don't know what all these fucking hand signals mean anymore. I got to see the world's only size 15 Indy Ridge boots in person. Beware, Shade Tree. They are damn nice. Painted boxer, no. I'll have to bring the wipe out here. Those are nice flowers. I like that boulder. That's a nice boulder. Oh God. Is this the beginning of me just clipping in movies? Please, no. But it was good to see Paul before he left. Didn't really want to video too much of it because all we were doing was packing out his house. It's not... It wasn't anything, you know, outstanding. I'm so hungry. But hopefully it won't be too long before I can see him again. We will assemble like the weirdos that we are. Speaking of weirdos assembling, next month, May 18th through the 21st, the weirdos are going to be assembling at the Land Between the Lakes Piney Campground. All of you are invited. All the details will be down in the description. It's going to be our little Casa de campground, because from what I can tell by the reservations, ain't nobody else reserved in it. So come hang out, have a good time. We'll go down to Tennessee Motorcycle Music Revival and fuck around. And we may have some surprise events. Who knows? Depends on my work schedule. That being said, the Goon Shop is open, guys. Make sure you check that out. We got Weirdos Assemble merch. We got the Goon logo. We've got What Are You Doing, Step Trucker? And we've got a little input from Paul on a sticker that just launched last night. So, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. I will see you guys on Weirdos Assemble and in the next video. Deuces, y'all.
master of forming body.